हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे निफ्टी ऑटो, हीरो मोटोकॉर्प, मारुति, बजाज ऑटो एंड टाटा मोटर्स के बारे में। मीन्स विल वी विल डिस्कस होल ऑटो सेक्टर फॉर आवर नेक्स्ट ट्रेड्स। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू प्रॉफिटेबल ट्रेड्स एंड वेरी वेलकम टू न्यू सब्सक्राइबर। डियर न्यू सब्सक्राइबर, इस ग्रुप को आप अपना ही ग्रुप समझे। कोई भी स्टॉक के बारे में आपको कोई भी जानकारी चाहिए तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में अपना क्वेरी टाइप कर सकते हैं। आई एम ऑलवेज रेडी फॉर योर हेल्प। ये भी हो सकता है कि आपको आंसर करने में थोड़ा बहुत लेट हो जाए, बट आई विल आंसर योर क्वेश्चन। वीडियो को लास्ट तक ज़रूर देखें, आपको बहुत सारी जानकारी मिलेगी पूरे ऑटो सेक्टर के बारे में। एंड ऑटो सेक्टर में जो स्टॉक्स है उसके बारे में भी आपको बहुत सारे अच्छे अच्छे लेवल्स की जानकारी मिलेगी। वीडियो अगर अच्छे लगे तो लाइक एंड शेयर ज़रूर करें एंड अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी रेकमेंड करना ना भूलें। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं हम लोग ऑटो सेक्टर से। निफ्टी ऑटो, जब हम लोग निफ्टी ऑटो का पूरा एनालिसिस करेंगे तब आपको ये पता चल जाएगा कि बाकी के ऑटो स्टॉक्स का क्या होगा। दैट्स वाई फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर गोइंग टू पोस्टमार्टम निफ्टी ऑटो चार्ट। निफ्टी ऑटो made high of 10,913 on 9th of June. High made 10,913 on 9th of June and till now made low of 9704. 9704 low, and that is on 24th August. $10,900 level was a great monthly resistance. It had to fall drastically from there. That's why on 9th June only, by seeing Nifty Auto chart, I sold all my Tata Motors share at the rate of 350, and it made high of 358 on that day. This is of the 9th June. 9th June market opened at here, and at that time I saw there is a monthly resistance, huge monthly resistance, which is impossible to break because Nifty Auto had run from 9460 to 10,800, so which is a great run, and there was a monthly resistance, so profit booking to wahan pe aana hi tha. And that's why on this day I also sold my all Tata Motors shares, which I bought at 102 rupees. And later on 6th July, Tata Motors fall 10 to 12% on a single day. Do you know what at this level? What at this level I advised many to sell their shares and book profit. Some followed my advice and some didn't. Who didn't listen me at that time, they were saying you don't know anything. All experts are saying breakout and they are giving next target 500. And since past few months it had run amazingly, etc, etc. And you are saying to sell it right now, and you are saying the next target is 200. They all laughed at me. I said to myself, time will tell. And then, and they even added more at that time. पब्लिक को मेरा क्यों सुनेगी? जो करोड़पति बनाएगा उसी का तो फॉलो करेगी. जस्ट लाइक फ्रूट्स एंड सम फेयरनेस क्रीम. अगर हम लोग बोलते हैं दैट इफ यू ईट फ्रूट्स देयर विल बी ग्रो, यू नो, देयर विल बी ग्लो इन योर फेस आफ्टर सम टाइम, but public need instant fear and instant glow. That's why they apply some creams which is temporary. The same thing here. Public follow only the fake things. Means who will make you crorepati after 1 year, after 2 years. Everyone will follow them only. Whether it is fake or real, they don't even care. They will care when they will regret it. So जिसके भाग्य में जो होना है वो होके ही रहेगा. Let it happen. Now they are asking for help. I'm not God. I can't make Tata Motors 350 rupees a share right now, within a day or within a month. First 200 has to come, then we'll see. And many YouTube channels also recommended buy. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala had bought it. Debt is going to be reduced by Tata Sons, etc., etc. And they motivated people to buy more and more at the level of 350 when Tata Motors said 350. And public also bought huge quantity at these levels. Tata Motors at these levels. They bought huge quantity, huge and huge. Now they all are trapped at higher levels. Now, when it will come to 200 rupees, they have to average it. हम लोग but chart says is all. हम लोग निफ्टी ऑटो से टाटा मोटर्स में कैसे शिफ्ट हो गए. Let's move to Nifty Auto. Nifty Auto for time being taken support at 9704. If goes up, then it will definitely fall from 10,200 levels. That is, हम लोग का next resistance है 10,200 levels. Maybe all auto sector may go up little up from this level. Then it has to fall from 10,200 levels on Nifty Auto chart. 10,200 means it can come till 10,200 this level. Then from here it had to fall. See, on 9th June it made high, and since then it is going down and down. When Nifty Auto will start to fall from 10,200 levels, we will see Nifty Auto coming down towards 8,800 level. First support of Nifty Auto is at 8,800 level. Next support is at then 8,100. If 8,800 is not supported, then 8,100 is not ruled out. In auto sector, now it's simple. Until any announcement regarding electric vehicle isn't coming up with any stock, we can't see any upward movement on Nifty Auto or any auto stocks. If you ask me, it's simple. Now I need to replace my two-wheeler Passion Pro. So I'm waiting for electric two-wheeler and options in electric vehicles. Now Ola has launched its e-scooter, so it will dent Hero and Honda, both auto companies, this festive season. And this festive season will be worst for these companies too, due to Ola. If and only if Ola can supply as much people demand in this festive season. In this case, Hero share can fall more from here. We will discuss that later. So we will buy auto stocks when Nifty Auto reaches 8,800 or 8,100 level. Remember, this level will be a golden buy for auto stocks. This level 8,800 and 8,100 on Nifty Auto. From here, all auto sectors may go up amazingly. Means just like Tata Steel gave run. More beneficial will be Tata Motors and then Hero MotoCorp in Nifty Auto. The weightage of different auto stocks are Maruti weightage on Nifty Auto is 19.98%. Then M&M is 15.33%. Tata Motors is 11.36%. Bajaj Auto is 10.75%. Hero MotoCorp 37.73%. Aisha Motors is 7.60%. Bharat Forge 4.18%. Balkrishna Industries 4.15%. These are the percentage in Nifty Auto. Then Ashok Leyland is 4.12%. And last, MRF is 3.58% in Nifty Auto. So largest share is Maruti, and Maruti is going downwards. So Nifty Auto has to go downwards. And Maruti and Tata Motors both are going downwards. जब हम लोग टाटा मोटर्स के बारे में 50% डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, then let's complete discussion of Tata Motors. Then on 6th, here on 9th June, I sold all my Tata shares at the level of 350. And since then, it was subdued and suddenly it was going up. And but on 6th July again, it tried to cross previous high. Then on 6th July, when it was moving up, I received some messages of them. Message was, you were talking about 200. Now see, it's going to break its previous 3 years high. At that time, there was nothing in front of me to reply, but I had belief on my chart and God replied them by my side. After 2 p.m. on the same day, 6th July, Tata Motors fall 10 to 12% within 30 minutes. And since then, it's moving downwards. Now it's sell on every rise. Tata Motors won't release, Tata Motors is not going to release their best cars as of now. Maybe beginning of 2022 financial year. So we may see a up move like Tata Steel in Tata Motors when it reaches 180 to 200 level. One can short Tata Motors between 293.35 and 297 for positional or intraday basis. That is, I'm saying Tata Motors short at the rate of 293, 293.35 and 297. One can short Tata Motors in these levels and 297 is the stop loss. If 297 broken, then 311 is the maximum capacity for the Tata Motors along with Nifty and Nifty Auto. If Nifty runs up and Nifty Auto also started up move, then it can go max to max 311 level. There one can short Tata Motors for huge gains. That is lot size is I think 2850. So if you get 50 points also, then also it's awesome. Awesome means awesome. So once Nifty break this one, this candle's low, that is 268. So it will move more downwards. As of now, it's weak on the chart. And one more thing, in my last video, I forgot something about Scots. Nowadays, Scott is moving up like a rocket. Don't fall in greed and don't try to buy it right now. As per harmonic chart, I can see it's forming a bearish pattern for future. In means in coming days, it may fall. We will short it on the confirmation and make this news viral, not to buy escorts right now, so that retailers don't buy it. It will help them earning profit in future. So इस न्यूज को जितना हो सके अपने फैमिली फ्रेंड्स और अदर जो आपके फ्रेंड्स है जो लोग शेयर मार्केट में ट्रेड करते हैं, make them aware that Escort is not a buying level right now. It may fall because on harmonic chart I can see there is a bearish pattern forming. If it falls, it may fall till 800 levels too. As we are seeing, Nifty Auto is bearish and all auto stocks are also bearish. So friends, आज के लिए इतना ही. जो बाकी सारा स्टॉक्स बच गया, just like Hero MotoCorp, Maruti and Bajaj Auto, TVS Motors, Escorts, we'll discuss this about these stocks in our next video. बाकी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग बात करेंगे इसके बारे में. Till then, take care, be safe and Jai Hind. Thanks friends.